half of that, the center half. 1
Yep.
half
Yes.
plus 3 cm.
Okay. Good.
Need 5 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do this. You put water already.
Yep.
1
Yes.
for a round design.
Okay.
Make it flat. You poke upwards.
Yep.
4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5.
Yes.
That is the base. Now the base, you can use the top part. Again, it must be 3/4. You don't want, also can, because it will be hidden by all the top flowers. So you keep to your 3/4 loop. See? This top part is very soft. It can be slightly shorter to give movement. The basic one is 5 leaves.
5 leaves, okay.
Basic amount.
Right.
The spaces you have to add another 4. Just like our fingers. 5 spaces 4. You fill up so that it won't be botak-botak.
Yep.
Not to worry so much about the base because you'll be filling up with a lot of. Now we come to the main flowers. Baby carnation they call
Baby
it.
carnation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'll cut it long to show you. 1,
Okay.
right?
And a half.
Half.
Plus 3 cm.
Half plus 3 cm. You need 12 of this.
12. Oh, round is better to have 12.
Yes.